What hurts more than being left? Seeing them come back? After you finally started healing, after the sleepless nights, after crying over someone who stopped choosing you, and suddenly, they text, they watch your story, they act like nothing happened. But why? Why do people leave and then come back? Stay till the end? Because this truth might change the way you see heartbreak forever. Sometimes, people leave expecting you to beg, to text first, to fight for them. They think you will stay emotionally available forever. But when you stop chasing, when you disappear quietly, something changes. Your silence becomes louder than your words, and suddenly, they start wondering, why are they okay without me? Because people often notice your value when they no longer have access to you. This part hurts. Sometimes, they do not miss you. They miss the comfort, the attention, the emotional safety, the way you cared without limits. Because losing someone who loved deeply creates emptiness, and people return to places that once made them feel important. But ask yourself this: do they miss you? Or do they miss what you gave them? There is a difference, a painful one. Something strange happens when you stop waiting, when you stop checking their profile, stop replaying old memories, stop hoping. You slowly become stronger, and people feel that shift. The same person who ignored your worth suddenly feels your absence, because healing changes your energy, and absence teaches lessons that presence never could. The saddest part? Sometimes they come back, when your heart is already tired, when the version of you that begged for love no longer exists, because pain changes people. The late-night crying turns into silence. The overthinking turns into acceptance. The attachment slowly becomes distance, and suddenly, the person who once meant everything feels like a memory. That is when they return. When you stopped waiting. When you stopped hoping. When you finally learned how to live without them. And life becomes strange, because the same person who once ignored your pain now wants your attention. The same person who walked away now fears losing access to you. But healing teaches something powerful. Closure does not always come from apologies. Sometimes, closure comes from realizing you survived what once broke you, and now, you no longer need the person who caused the pain. Because some people come back, not to restart the story, but to show you how much you've changed. But listen carefully. Not everyone who comes back deserves access to you again. Some people return because they are lonely. Some return because things did not work out elsewhere. And some return because they finally realized what they lost. Your job is not to reopen every closed door. Your job is to ask, did they come back changed? Or just familiar? Because healing means learning. That missing someone does not mean they deserve another chance.